Hello friends, welcome to our channel Mechanical Motivator. In this video, we are going to see job opportunities for mechanical, electrical and civil graduates. Totally, we are going to see two different jobs. So, see fully and apply app according to it so that it will be very helpful for you. So, let us go into the video. There is a walk-in interview for AutoCAD Draughtsman in ASC Structural Design Private Limited, Chennai. All those who are willing to work in Chennai can make use of it. The company website is given here. I will provide a link in the description. Once you click the link, you will be directed to the official website of the company so that it will be very easy for you to apply. So regarding ASC, it is a Indo-Belgium joint venture company established in 2003 in Chennai and involved in preparation of civil, structural and engineering drawing with supported document for construction related activities. So they render their service to industry over decades. If you want to join hands with them, then apply for it. So when you scroll down, you can see the job description. So minimum they need 1 year of experience. So experts in 3D Max and AutoCAD will be given preferences. You need to have strong interpersonal skill and able to interact with a team member of different disciplines. Preferably candidates should have knowledge in Adobe Photoshop and you should be able to work alone as a team. So you should have strong knowledge in English written and verbal communication. You will be getting a salary of 25,000 per month. So if you want to apply means just click here, there will be an option, click here and apply. And another job called mechanical engineer job vacancy, Genpact, Chennai. So if you are willing to work in Chennai, can make use of it. So it's a mechanical engineer can make the best use of it. The name of the company is Genpact. Company website is given here. Regarding the company, they transform how the world largest company approaches business transformation services. So they render their experience in running operation and business process by giving an unmatched level of expertise, whether strengthening customer engagement, controlling costs and recognizing their firm. So minimum qualification is you need to have minimum 5 to 6 years of work experience in strategic sourcing and procurement. Education is mechanical and electrical people will be given preferences, and other qualification is you need to have good working knowledge on supplier and market research. You need to have strong analytical and negotiation skill. You need to have experience in any coding language or visualization tool would be an added advantage, and strong knowledge on MS Office. So other responsibilities are you will be responsible for commodity spending, carrying out spend analysis and develop sourcing strategies. You can execute the RF process and negotiation. You can also identify the opportunities and drive e-auction and sourcing the project. You can also work closely with the supplier and other business functions like quality, engineering team, etc. And you need to manage the quality process and deviation approval process. So current shift timing is 12 p.m. to 9 p.m. However, there will be some flexible shift timing. So if you are willing to work means you can click here. So once you click here, it will be directing you to applying for the job. So for further job information, you can subscribe our channel so that we will be keep on updating each and every nook and corners of job opportunities in and around India as well as abroad. So kindly don't miss even a single video of us. So once you apply means kindly have a frequent check of your registered mail ID and registered mobile number for further process. So they will be contacting or intimating you through your registered mail ID and registered mobile number. If you like this video means put a like and share the video to mechanical, electrical and civil graduates. They will be making the best use of it. Kindly support our channel by subscribing and sharing the video to job seekers. We will be bringing all job opportunities to your doorstep. Stay tuned with Mechanical Motivator. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great day.